everyone. Welcome to today's physics session. I am Smita and I am your tutor for this session. Today we are going to study an important concept in physics. And I know you all like physics. That's why you are sitting here, right? So after this session, you will be able to explain this concept and you will be able to answer all the questions related to this topic. So we can start, right? Okay. So I'm going to show you some PPT and in each slide there are some pictures and some questions. From those you will be able to understand more easily what is I'm going to take today. Okay, so what is shown in the picture? I know most of you will be knowing the answer. In the picture it is shown that a rocket is sitting on the launch pad. And what is the reason for this? The reason is that there is some force that is attracting it towards the earth. That's why it is sitting there. Yes, a rocket is sitting on the launch pad and it is sitting there because gravity is holding it down to the ground. So now you can see an animation. So what is shown in this animation? A rocket launch is shown. And my next question is, how can a rocket be launched into the space? How can a rocket be launched into the space? A rocket can be launched into the space if it gets enough velocity to overcome the gravitational attraction of the earth. Yes, it can be launched if it gets enough speed to overcome gravitational pull of the earth. And this leads us to the concept of escape velocity. So as I told, from the example of rocket launching, we arrived at the topic that we are going to discuss here, or the concept that the concept is escape velocity. So from this example, we are able to know what is escape velocity. So what is escape velocity? Escape velocity, it is the minimum velocity that one requires to escape the gravitational field. And this velocity is known as escape velocity. So now it is clear what is escape velocity. And from the example of the rocket launch, it's clear that if we give a velocity for this rocket to overcome the gravitational attraction of Earth, it will be able to launch in the space. If it does not get that minimum velocity, then rocket launch will be a failure. Okay, so that is only one example. Then now we are going to calculate or to find an equation for the escape velocity. So the equation to find the escape velocity is root of 2gm by r, where g is Newton's gravitational constant, m is the mass of the planet, and r is the radius of the planet. Here r can both, you can denote radius of the planet by either capital R or small r. And now, what is escape velocity? It is the minimum speed required to overcome the gravitational pull of Earth. And its equation is root of 2gm by r, where capital G, it is the Newton's universal constant of gravity, capital M is mass of the planet, and r is the radius of the planet. As I told you, you can use either capital R or small r. Then as an example, the escape velocity of Earth is given as 11.2 km per second. You can calculate the escape velocity of Earth, Moon or any other planet using this equation. The only thing is that you have to know or you should know what is the mass of the planet and radius of the planet. And G is a constant for any planet, whatever be the value of M and R, G will be a constant. And using that, we can calculate the escape velocity. Okay, so if you want to calculate the escape velocity of moon, you can just substitute the values of M and R and you can calculate the escape velocity. So from this session, what all things we have to remember is that the definition of escape velocity, that is the first point that we discussed from the example of the rocket launching, and how you calculate the escape velocity or the equation to calculate the escape velocity, and also what is the escape velocity of Earth. So I guess now the concept is clear, the escape velocity, then the equation to calculate escape velocity and escape velocity of Earth. Using this equation, you can calculate the escape velocity of different planets, and you can compare those velocities, and you can find which planet have greater escape velocity. Okay, so I guess uh, this topic is clear to you, and okay, and I am now stopping the session. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next class. Take care and stay safe.